Hello my friends, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. Today we are making pan di Spagna, a traditional Italian sponge cake used as a base for many delicious desserts. Fragrant and soft, this simple sponge cake is made with only these few ingredients. Begin by preheating your oven to 174 Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your baking pan. You will need a 22 centimeter or a 9-inch Springform baking pan. Grease the bottom and sides with softened butter and line the pan with parchment paper. The butter is added to make the parchment paper stick to the pan. The parchment paper allows your cake to come out clean and all in one piece. Set the pan aside for now. Crack your 6 large eggs at room temperature and place them inside a bowl. It is best to crack your eggs into a separate bowl before adding them to other ingredients. This avoids shell pieces, blood spots, or even a bad egg from going into your batter. Transfer the eggs into your stand mixer bowl. Attach the whisk and begin whisking the eggs on medium speed. Slowly add in the sugar. Add a pinch of salt, the vanilla extract, and the lemon zest. Increase the speed to high and whisk the batter for 20 minutes. In the meantime, add the flour and cornstarch inside a bowl. Whisk and set aside. Whisking the batter on high speed for 20 minutes will create a pale, creamy, light and fluffy batter. This is what the batter will look like after whisking it for 20 minutes. The next step is very important. The flour and cornstarch mixture will be sifted and added gradually to the batter. Use a rubber spatula to incorporate the mixture. Use a gentle bottom and up motion, cut through the batter and go around the bowl to ensure that the flour is well incorporated. This motion will create a light and airy batter. Please note that I am fast forwarding my video. You must continue to fold the flour and cornstarch into the batter gently. Do not overmix. Overmixing may cause the batter to deflate. Once all the flour is added and it is well incorporated, pour the batter into the prepared pan. Gently level the surface with your rubber spatula. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until golden. It is important not to open your oven door while the sponge cake is baking. I recommend that you do a toothpick test once the cake is done baking. The toothpick should come out clean. Close the oven temperature and leave the cake inside the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool inside the pan for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove it from the pan and transfer it onto a cooling rack. I will be making a mimosa cake with this sponge. It will be one of my future videos. As you can see, it is soft and spongy. I cut the cake in 3 layers. You will see what it looks like inside. This yummy cake can be eaten plain or topped with icing sugar. It can be layered and assembled with your favorite cream, jam, fruits, syrup, or liqueur. I hope you like this recipe. It is one of my favorites. This was my birthday cake growing up. My mom wet the sponge with milk and coffee. She added her custard cream and iced it with egg whites and powdered sugar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your support. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.